We're moving with childlike wonder today. Suspend your adultness and let's be childlike for this entire session. Use your imagination and let's build some childlike energy. Pretend you're skipping a rope. Just swing your arms, bring your heels up off the ground, and if a little jump is accessible to you, let's go. Remember skipping rope as a kid? Just doing it for fun and wonder. As an adult, this is actually an incredibly powerful movement. 30 seconds, 1 minute can boost mood, elevate energy, build such incredible strength. But let's not worry about that today. Today, we're just gonna be childlike. If the jumping doesn't work, you just swing your arms and bring your heels up off the ground. We'll build mobility, strength, balance, stamina today, but I'm not gonna talk about any of that. That's too grown up for today. Today, we're gonna be childlike and build childlike energy. Just, if it's there, just a little bit more. You can move around your space. You can go side to side, smile. Pretend you have that skipping rope in your hand. Imagine yourself as a child. Oh, brilliant. We're gonna march. Like we're in a marching parade. Bring that leg up, swing your arms. Picture yourself walking down the main street of your town when you were a kid, when there's a parade going by. How exciting those parades were when we were children. Well, I think I'll say this a few times. I don't know where this quote came from. It's never too late to have a good childhood. Can we move through our days with childlike wonder? I kind of like that. It's never too late to have a great childhood. We're marching. And if you like, if it's there, maybe just a gentle little skip. Get that leg up, swing your arms with intention, head up high. Maybe the Santa Claus parade was something you can remember as a kid. I sure can. There we go. Oh, we're not going to talk about any of those chemicals. We're just, those hormones that feel good. We're just going to be happy about being happy and childlike. Oh, brilliant. Windmill. You just flow. Swing your arms freely. Bend and twist into it. Flow like water. How would a child move in this movement? They wouldn't need to wake up their joints in their body. It'd be already woken when they get up. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now come up on your tippy toes and move around your space. Up on your tippy toes and just walk around. Sort of like when you were little and you'd wake up in the middle of the night and you go tippy-toeing around the house, maybe to sneak a snack. Keep those heels up off. I'm not gonna say engage the core. Nope, that's too grown up. Just sneaky. Just move about. Oh. Be playful with your movements. Really use your imagination today. Let's stay youthful into our hundreds. What a way to live. Childlike and childish, very different. Can we continue to be childlike? Just move. Come back. I'm in a very open space, people around. I'm moving around like a child tiptoeing through the forest. Getting a little bit over ourselves, not taking ourselves so seriously. There's a great childlike quality. Not worrying about what other people think when we're moving in silly ways. Speaking of silly ways, the toy soldier. Oh, lift your leg up, straight leg, like you're in a military march, like a toy soldier. Oh, little boys and their toy soldiers, their guns and their swords. Oh, oh. Fortunately, we don't grow out of that one. Oh, let's get an adult. We're not doing that today. No, just playful. Bring that leg up as high as you can. You can even lean back just a little bit if that feels nice. We could go with a little bit of pace. Very serious like. I can't be serious today. Oh, a couple more here. How lovely. Okay, real imagination here, okay? We're just gonna forward lunge, but take your arm, throw it like you're throwing a ball, and then step back and catch the ball. Other foot, step and lunge, throw the ball, bring the ball back in with you. Step and throw. Just find a flow here that works, but just be playful. This kid thinks I'm crazy. How delightful. Throw that ball to your friend. Catch it. Throw it. Catch it. Yeah, can you imagine it? Can you picture yourself? Oh, do you feel that energy flowing inside of you? Oh, do I ever. Ooh. Oh, I can picture my mom right there, throwing the ball to her. Come on, Mom, don't drop it. Ah, beautiful. One more on each side. Oh, so lovely. Now, let's move laterally. Just move laterally. And with your arms, I just want you to think of being just carefree. Circle them, reach up, reach down. I'm not concerned, but just a little side skip and just carefree. Do we take on too much? Too many responsibilities, too much stress of things that we can't control? Can we be more carefree as adults? I think we can. Hey, who's talking about adults today? We're children. We're moving like a child would, building energy. Can we move through our days with this childlike energy always, with this sense of wonder and awe? Wow, look at that tree. Wow, look at that airplane. Wow, this person is yelling at me. How amazing. Just be carefree. Oh, last one here. Ah, well done. Okay, I'm gonna challenge you. We're doing the hopscotch again. Okay? Do your very best. Find any movement that works for you. This is tricky, so we're working on the brain here too. So it's just remember, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like hopscotch when we were a kid. Head up or head down. You do whatever you want. And if you can't find the rhythm of the move, just move your body another way. It's fine. But this really is great for, I'm not talking about why it's great. It's great because it's fun, because we're moving our bodies. And movement is awesome. Kids don't exercise, nor do we. We just show up, move our bodies every day so that we can be childlike well into our hundreds. And maybe we go a little faster. Oh, so good. I bet you know exactly what balancing move we're gonna do today. Obviously, if we're childlike, we're going for a fly. Let's fly our airplane. Do your very best. If you need some assistance, use some. A child will always ask for help. Why don't we? What strength it is to ask for help, to be okay with not knowing things, to be okay with not being great at everything yet. Just do your best here. Whew. Maybe you can fly your plane a bit. Just have some fun. And let's go one more on each side. Maybe we hold it for an extra moment. Other side. Oh. I don't know about you, but that worked. I feel exceptionally happy. Let's do more of that. Let me know if that worked for you too. If the imagery, using our imagination, I feel childlike and tremendously joyful. I hope you do as well. Let's still continue. Just a moment of silence, just to connect to our breath. Laser-like attention in a childlike manner. Just seeing the awe and the wonder of this beautiful leaf. Whatever it might be, just give it all your attention. Watch the monkey mind. Let's just be for 30 seconds together here. Let's go. Wow, wow, and wow. We're doing this month to raise our energy, to have childlike energy as we go through our days. I am truly grateful to you. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.